Looking out at the vistas makes me feel at peace. I get to take people out and show them my backyard. It makes me very happy. I want my visitors to experience the same things that I experienced. The light is always changing. Every time it looks different. It's incredible. Riding the mesas is very unique. We ride on sticky rock. It's sandstone. I think it's a lot more enjoyable to ride the trails with a guide that can gauge the terrain to you, and you can also ride those trails with a lot more flow. Those big views, those big vistas, I never take it for granted. It never gets old. It always amazes me. My name's Katharina Merchant. I live in Love Work in Utah, and I feel lucky to live here.